Hello students, welcome to my channel. Students, let us learn some important lines from topic arthropods. Most animals without backbones are arthropods. An arthropod is an animal with jointed legs. Jointed legs let an arthropod move around easily. Arthropods have a hard outer covering called an exoskeleton. Arthropods have a hard outer covering called an exoskeleton. Exo means outside of. An exoskeleton is on the outside of the animal's body. The exoskeleton protects the soft body parts inside. Most arthropods have 2 or 3 body sections. They have a head, a middle part, and a tail part. In some kinds of arthropods, the middle part and the tail part are joined to make one part. Okay, students, this picture shows a hard exoskeleton covers all the body parts of an arthropod. Okay, now centipedes and millipedes are arthropods. They have lots of legs. They burrow in the ground or hide under rocks. Crabs and lobsters live in the ocean. They have thick exoskeletons for protection. Crayfish live in freshwater. Crabs, lobsters, and crayfish have large claws. They use the claws to protect themselves and grab food. This is the picture of crab, and this is the picture of what? Crayfish. Most arthropods are insects. Insects have feelers on their head. They use their feelers to smell and feel things. Many insects have wings and can fly. Many kinds of spiders make silk threads to spin webs. They use their webs to catch food. Students, there is an important note to you. Spiders are arthropods, but they are not insects. Insects have 6 legs. Spiders have 8 legs. Insects have 3 body parts. Spiders have 2 body parts. Okay students, this is important to you. I hope that this topic is clear to you.